And I want you to, by the way, I was going to tell you what Terry Crews said. He said that the thing that changed his life is when he was pushing that broom and all discouraged that he was never going to make it. He said, I got to change my attitude. You know, I'm going to do this job that I'm pushing a broom, or I'm a security guard, as if they're paying me $1 million a day. How hard would I work if I was getting paid that much? How much would I treasure that job? And I'm not going to say that I'm lazy or that I mistreat the customer, but when I thought about that, any kind of feel sorry for me kind of attitude and all that stuff started changing, because it's not that I have a bad attitude.
No.
It's that I purge. You know, it's like, hey, if I was getting, I can pretend, if I was getting paid $1 million a day, how hard would I work? You know, I'm going to want more than one day. So I'm going to pace myself, because I'm not going to do such high quality. I do such high volume that I do poor quality. So I'm going to be conscientious. I'm going to do a good job, because I don't want to lose my job at $1 million a day. So it's more, so it's not that I thought I would get $1 million. It's because I realized that in my mind, I have to preserve that relationship that I have with them and with me. Okay, so I have to go to bed with me. Okay, in the end, no matter where I lay my head, I have to deal with my conscience. So this is what I'm doing. I'm trying to be as honest as I know with you guys. There's nothing dishonest about what I'm telling you. There's nothing shady. I'm not pulling any punches. I'm not being rude, I hope, but I'm just trying to share with you guys what I know. There's motive there, because I'm trying to store up treasure somewhere else. All right. I'll see you another time, guys. I wish you all the best. Save up your questions and curiosities for even the silliest of things. There's no silly question. See you later.